Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. It is your natural nail guru, Tati, and we have another amazing color collection to swatch today. So spring is just around the corner, and Beetles has sent me their 6 polish collection of their Easter egg hunt colors. So they sent this to me. I did not buy this. I'm going to review it. There is no money transaction involved in this. It's just free product I get to try out. We already know Beetles is a really, really great brand, accessible, very affordable, and so far with everything that I've tried from their products, great quality. Really quick before we get to these swatches, anyone out there that's currently watching and not subscribed, if you like reviews for nails, if you like color swatches, looking at nail products, finding out how to enhance your health and your manicure length, then make sure that you guys are subscribed. Make sure you hit that like button and share with all your nail enthusiasts, because this is for everyone. So let's not waste any more time and get to this swatch. All right, so first color we're gonna be trying out is A449. Looks like a beautiful pastel yellow. It is a beautiful pastel yellow. Very, very nice. All right, first coat, really good coverage. Beautiful, beautiful color. Let's finish this one up, see what it looks like. So here we have it, finished product, 2 coats. The coverage is pretty good. It's possible on some nail beds you might want to get a 3rd coat in just in case. But overall, great consistency, great coverage. Let's check out the next one. Beautiful pasty green. I love it. Look at that, just the first coat, such great coverage. This is so pleasing. This color is so cute. Beautiful. Love it. Let's check it out when it's done. Here we have finished product, gorgeous color, super gorgeous. This is only 2 coats. Perfect coverage, beautiful consistency, gorgeous color. Let's check out the next one. All right, so here we have beautiful pink. Yeah, you can already tell beautiful coverage. When you see it like that on the first coat, it's going to be good coverage. Sorry, I put my base coat on a little bit wobbly, so you might see some little lumpies. That is not the polish, it is me. Beautiful coverage. Wow, that's pretty freaking full on that first coat. Love it. Let's check this one out done. Here we go. 2 coats, beautiful color, full coverage. A perfect pink. Let's check out the next one. This one is a soft lavender color. Ooh. Love it. Oh wow, my clients will really love this shade. Kind of reminds me of Magical Wings. Very similar. Beautiful color, perfect coverage on the first coat. Loving it already. Let's check this one out done. Here we go. 2 coats, beautiful color. Love it, love it. Let's check out the next one. So this one is a soft pale blue, kind of like a powder blue, a sky blue, super cute. And of course, gorgeous coverage on the first coat. They really do so good with their pastels. There we go. Beautiful color. Let's check this one out done. So here we have it, 2 coats, gorgeous blue. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's check out the last one. Ooh, this one's a nice orange. Really pretty. All right. Not as full coverage as the others. This one probably like the yellow. Depending on the nail bed, you want me to throw on an extra coverage on there. An extra coat. Gorgeous color. Let's finish this one up. So here we have it, the finished product. Beautiful, beautiful orange. And yes, depending on the nail bed, you will probably have to do a third coat. Not on everyone, but on some maybe. Super cute. So there we have it. The 6 colors are absolutely beautiful. Overall consistency, super on point. The colors are really thick and vibrant, but it doesn't, and the consistency itself is really thick, as you could see it on the brush, but I have no issues with curing it, which is really great because pastels and neons and really contrasting colors tend to have that little bit of concern. So glad to see I didn't see any issues with the curing on any of these colors. A couple of the colors maybe might need a third coat depending on the nail bed, but for the most part, the coverage is really, really nice and really good. So overall, a really great collection. Now this collection, just to specify, it is 6 colors and they're 7.3 milliliters. So they are still, they're probably like half as big, a half size of the regular polish bottle. And this collection was $13.99 on Amazon. They have actually a lot of variety of color collections on there, not just the Easter egg hunt, but this one specifically was $13.99. Beautiful colors, beautiful collection. So that's gonna be all for this quick color swatch video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and as always, I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.